Can you tell I love fabrics? Oh, and I love bringing you guys fabrics because I know how hard it is to get great fabrics. So we're going to start with these are all Theory. This is a group from Theory. This is a navy and white stripe, and my gosh, I've seen the cutest blouses done out of this. If you go onto the Theory website, you can see some of these made up. This is a rayon, 100% rayon. It has beautiful drape. It's just a gorgeous piece of fabric. I was even tempted to, gosh, couldn't you use the back side and just do a, anyway, Then we have 100%, this is a black, so it's not a navy, 100% black, 100% silk, but it's a black. So you can see it's beautiful drape. You know, silk, the beauty of silk is it just folds up to nothing. It's so light. Simply stunning. Always stunning. This is on their site. They did a angular, they put the print on a bias. They did a little t-shirt. Just a simple little t-shirt, but it's adorable. This has two-way stretch. Just lovely, lovely. This is a woven, this is a woven. This is a navy rib. So like navy ribs, 100% cotton. You know how hard that is to find at a decent price? It's hard to find, period. Anyway, stretch in both directions. Just a beautiful, very, very fine rib. It's not a thick rib at all. It's very fine. It's just stunning. And then we have two of the hottest colors for spring. These are both Theory. These are a wool silk blend. Beautiful hand. We have one other color. These are the two other colors that we have. It's that Florida wool, so it's just a really beautiful fine wool, a silk combination. They are stretch woven, has stretch in one direction. You know what? That has stretch in both directions. I'll be damned. Whoops, has stretch in both directions. Sorry about that. Just stunning, just beautiful. And then our innuendo, we know that color is everywhere. And what Theory did with these is they're making jackets. So the jacket is, it does have two-way stretch. I didn't know that anyway. Learn something new every day. But you can see both sides are usable. They're just gorgeous fabrics. I mean, they are just gorgeous. They're not a 4 though. They're just too light to be a 4. They're a 3. But they're just very, very affordable. Today we'll put a discounted price up on everything. So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.